Okay, so Carolina Metal Masters and the USA. Nice tight packaging. There. Okay, so this box is where the main attachments are. Included instructions, a decal, see if I can get this open. Some pretty good color instructions. And the main pieces. Okay, so for this side, flathead screwdriver on each sharp point. Just gotta pry it out in there a little bit. Comes out. Then you see it has a plastic piece that you gotta play with it a little bit to pull it out. It has those arrows that inserts up in there, and you just gotta play with them a little bit and be careful not to break one of them. Now, what you need is a 10 millimeters socket and a ratchet, and then you're gonna remove the upper bolt for the factory grab handle. As you can see the bolt there. Just gotta pull it out. Quite simple. Then on this you gotta be careful because there are actually two sides. So you gotta get the right one. You see that flat piece? That has to be straight when you put it on there. First time I put it backwards, and the mirror was looking down. So you see how it's flat, pointing up a little bit actually. That's how it's supposed to be done. Then you just tied it with the Allen bolt that comes with it, and then you can install the 1-inch ball and just screws in place. Okay, now just the mirror bracket goes in and has a nut on the other side to hold it in place. And with this you gotta be careful. There's two sides. One is flush and then the other one is deep. That's for the bolt. And then this side is for the mirror. Actually recesses in place there, as you can see. And then the bolt goes on the other side. And now we got it all tied up. And it looks pretty good. You can still use that side for the GoPro. And you can even close the door if you needed to. Obviously with the window down, but it works so you can put the GoPro, still have your doors, and record what's going on outside. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so the other side is the same thing. Just gotta pry out that cover, get the 10 millimeter, pull that top bolt out, and then put the bracket in place. Okay, so my case had a red dot, the one that goes on the driver's side. Then you got the key that goes up in there, straight in, and then just bolt it down with the Allen bolt that comes with it. And that's it. Looks pretty nice, flush, pretty good. Pretty happy with the fitment as well. Okay, now the 1-inch bolt can go in. I had issues with that. Actually, the thread wasn't good on mine. It's pretty delicate. You gotta be like really careful to not cross thread it. That black piece is I guess it wasn't holding as good as the 1-inch bolt, and spent quite a bit of time trying to put that side on. Other than that, everything went really nice. So now I'm doing the mirror side. Remember, there's a deep side that's for the bolt, and then this other side is for the mirror. So now what's left is just the nut for the bracket and the bolt for the mirror. Now only thing you should have left is the 2 bolts that we removed and the 2 cover pieces. As you can see, one of them I busted the end of it. The other one was good. Just gotta be careful with those outside pieces. They break quite easily. Other than that, everything's good. The fitment is good. I like the way it looks. It doesn't get on the way of you driving. As you can see, it looks good from the side. Pretty happy with them. Should be pretty good. They're quite expensive, to be honest. And I thought they had the bottom part included for that price. So I'm probably gonna have to get that later on. There's a bottom piece that goes on obviously the bottom bolt. But yeah, everything looks good. It's ready to go.